Yeah, that's it. That's enough to connect them. Yeah, and that's how I connect the all batteries. So these are connected in a parallel, and then I connect 3 in a serial, all 3 of them. Yeah, and it's just the coil from microwave and up. I change the wire into, I think it's 6 gauge or something like that, and then connect through this with these two, just to spot weld them. And this is the relay, because I tried with regular relays like the smaller and in this, but they don't work. So you need like 30 amp for this, at least for this transformer.